Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video today. In this video I'm going to be doing an extreme kitchen cleaning. Yes, I'm going to be cleaning my kitchen, tidying up everywhere inside my kitchen. So I hope to carry you guys along. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. So I have my detergent, the items I'm going to be using in cleaning this kitchen. That's what I'm showing you guys here. So guys, I'll go ahead and start washing my plate rack. Yeah, that's what I'm washing. So to my returning subscribers, I want to use this opportunity and welcome you guys to my video, to today's video. I just hope you guys will love what you're seeing today. And if this is your first time here, welcome. Thank you so much. Grab your popcorn and relax and watch and enjoy this video, okay? And if this is your first time seeing my face, oh my god, I know you're not seeing my face, but you will see it pretty soon, okay? So subscribe, hit the notification bell, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll welcome you to the family, okay? So I just hope you guys enjoy this video because I took my time. Like, this took me the whole day, you won't believe it. So please watch this video to the end, okay? So guys, yeah, I'm still washing the plates brand because this video is not long, but just enjoy it. So after that, I have to wash the dishes, all the dishes in my house. I washed everything. Like, I took my, you guys not believe the kind of work I put into this video. Like, it took me the whole day. Like, I don't know how to explain it, but it took me the whole day. I'm just trying to motivate myself. Yeah, I know I've been procrastinating. I'm going to do this, I'm going to do this, but thank god I did it. And there is this feeling that after cleaning, like, you'll be so happy, that's the kind of feeling that I'm having now. So I just hope you guys will enjoy this video. Yeah, enjoy it. It's so relaxing. Like, it's going to motivate you to do yours, okay? So I'm going to leave you guys to enjoy this video. I'm going to talk to you guys pretty soon, Abby. So after washing the dishes, I gave my stove an extreme cleaning. Yes, I cleaned and cleaned and cleaned and cleaned. Oh my god, yes. Okay, so that's what I'm doing now. And I cleaned it so well. Like, I gave it my time, my mind, my body, my spirit. Like, yeah. So after cleaning the stove and the accessories, I started cleaning my sink area. Yeah, so I gave it a total cleaning so it will be shiny and all cleaned up. Okay, so that's what I'm doing now. I hope you guys are enjoying this video. Please, if you are not giving this video a thumbs up, do it now and turn your phone. Let me check if you have given my video a thumbs up. I haven't seen you give this video a thumbs up, or do it now so you will not forget. Okay, thank you so much guys. So I'm still trying to clean up my sink area, wash whatever that is being part of that sink. Yes, everything is going into the water to be well cleaned up. So after washing my sink area, I went ahead to start cleaning my microwave. Yes, that's what I'm doing. Clean the microwave and also take it down to clean whatever that is being there, on top of my cabinet. Yeah, that's what I'm doing now. After cleaning the microwave area, I have to start cleaning inside my cupboards, my cardboards, anyone. So that's what I'm doing now. Yes, don't mind my African tongue. This is what we are known for. Yes, yes, yes. So I went ahead to start cleaning it up. I cleaned it and started packing whatever, arranging whatever that is supposed to be inside there. So that's what I'm doing at the same time. I hope you guys are enjoying this video. Please do enjoy it. I know you will. I know. Okay. The main highlight of this my extreme cleaning is taking out everything, like taking it out, cleaning it up and arranging it back to where it's supposed to be. Like I gave it all my time, all my energy, all my strength. You guys won't believe all that happened this day. Like trust me, I gave my all in this video. So after that, I started arranging back my plates, yes, and the spoons and the cups where it's supposed to be on my plate rank because it's dried up already. So I arranged it back and started cleaning the down cupboards. Yes, I brought out everything inside there and started cleaning it up. So this cupboard has been like this for a month now and I've been so lazy to clean it up. I'm glad I'm doing it on this day. Yes, yes. So after cleaning the keyboards, I started arranging back the items in where they are supposed to be, and went ahead to start cleaning my windows and my glass door. Yes. So after that, I started cleaning up, sweeping, brushing the floor because I want to clean it. Yes. So that's what I'm doing now. Oh my god, at this point, like, I was so tired. Like, I said I must finish what I started. Oh. Who sent me work? Like, you guys, the happiness that's you see the happiness in my body that day, because it came with joy. Like, cleaning up was like, I don't know how to explain it, but I was so happy that I made this. Like, I did all this on this particular day. Like, you can see everywhere sparkling. Like, hey, I didn't even want to start cooking or start messing up the kitchen. After cleaning up, like, I was like, let us just go to bed hungry. I'm not going to make anything in this kitchen. Like, God, are you seeing all those sparkles? Hey! So I gave it my time, my energy, my strength. My whole day was in here on this day. Like, I was so happy. I was so happy. I was so happy. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed every bit of this video. I hope you love it. I hope it was relaxing for you. I hope it's motivated you to do yours. Yes, stop procrastinating and get up and do yours, okay? So guys, I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you have not, subscribe if you have not, and I'm going to see you all on my next video. I love you guys. Thank you so much for all the support, for all the love. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I hope to see you all on my next video. Yes, I know you are going to be back here. Yes guys, so this is going to be the end of this video, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.